Hello, welcome. It's me again. We're back to a new challenge here at work. I have here a battery draw. You know, exciting, very exciting thing. We have a 2003 Chevy Trail Blazer. This truck have tons of problems. Battery draw, it's everything. You know. You can name, it could be anything. So this is always exciting to work on when it comes to diagnostic, because it could be something you never know it is causing the problem, but it will always get you hunting. But this truck is getting battery drain. They bought a new battery. They even use this because they got so tired of the battery drain. They put this on the negative terminal, and as simple as lifting this, toot, disconnect the battery, and then the next day they want to drive, they will just pull the switch down like a breaker and ready to go again. But hey, if you want to save money, there you go, there's your answer. But in our case, he got tired using this, so let's toss that out and let's see what's the problem with this car, and hopefully I can help him. Again, I'm sorry, I know some of you might comment, I'm at work and it's a protocol, I have to keep using this. My apologies. So if I'm murmuring and you cannot understand, please forgive me. You can give me a comment and ask questions, maybe in that way I can explain it well via text message or responding to your comments. Alright, but I hope you like this, and please enjoy. So we're here and I'm gonna show you where the problem was occurring on this drain. This is the driver's seat, and I disconnected these switches, and every time I do that the draw goes away. So I'm like, okay, this must be the problem. But no, it's actually this seat is so crushed that it crushed the wire, and every time I move it, it's rubbing against the metal part, and my drain keeps coming back. And let me show you this. Okay, do you see that? Yep, that